We're here at Slee Off-Road today. We're finishing up a project that we're excited to share with you. This is a 2021 LX 570 that we've installed an ARB Summit Sahara Bar on. This was a custom install with a custom cut. To be honest, we kind of feel like it fits the LX 570 better than the 200 series Land Cruiser that it was intended for. There's a lot of opinions on the nose of the LX 570 and the factory grille orientation. Between that aesthetically and the approach angle, I think this is a huge benefit and a great solution, though custom installed at Slee Off-Road, for the LX 570 owner. There's some great aesthetics of how the grille terminates into the bumperettes. Also the radius of the bumper wings following the factory bumper cover radius worked out very, very well. We were able to incorporate all the factory parking sensors, both on the sides of the wings, as well as in the center of the bumper. We also did our traditional 200 series ARB bumper winch install. We're able to hide the control box behind the bumper, behind the winch. In doing so, we relocated the pin plug back behind the grille. We still have full access to the winch clutch lever. The front mounted camera was also relocated into the front bumper. In this case, we chose to use the ARB 7-inch intensity lights as a nice proportion to the factory styling of the front of the LX 570.